Staples dumpster. What we got in the Staples dumpster today? Well, I don't think we got anything in here. Paper and debris. Alright. Move on. I think the only thing I've ever found in that dumpster was a personal bag of stuff. And it was a good personal bag. It was a bunch of new stuff, but I haven't found anything Staples wise that's worth taking out of their dumpster. Let's put it that way. Alright, PetSmart. What you got, PetSmart? What I got on PetSmart today? Anything? There's definitely some stuff in here, huh? There's always stuff in this PetSmart though, guys. This one throws a lot of stuff away. Look, here's a bunch more of these rabbit treats, which I have customer interested in these. Look at this. Chinchilla food. We'll take the chinchilla food. And there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. I'll put it all on top of this crate thing. Look at all this. It looks like rabbit feed or that's parrot bird toys. If you've ever had a parrot, you know those are expensive. Put the bag down here. There's a whole bunch more stuff down here. And what that is, it goes something. It looks like it's. Sometimes the bags feels like they're full of things and they're not. I'll check them all, cause. Alright, what else we got in here? Bird. We got lots of bird things today, guys. Bird treats and bird toys. So I've come to the conclusion that this store likes to throw away bird stuff. Here's a nice aquarium part. Definitely keep that. Guinea pig sticks. Another hamster wheel. This looks like a pump. Put this right here. There's a lot of stuff from the looks of it. There's a lot of stuff in here. Jesus. There's an entire carrier. That's nice. And it even has stuff inside it. This looks like a full-on pump. If I get the lid on correctly. This is a full-on pump right here. Make sure it works. I'm sure it has a box here somewhere. Goes with the pump, I'm sure. I'll take that. More bird and treats. Put that right in there. There should be a top to that somewhere. Let's see if we can find it. Got a collar. guinea pig and hamster food. What's this? A pet stroller. Okay. Definitely take that. Oh. I got some guinea pig food to put with the guinea pig cages I have for sale, so that's good. Oh, and we're just cleaning up on the bird toys today. Let's put all this stuff in and we'll come back and get the rest. Got quite a bit of stuff in here. The key thing is to get it in your truck. Once it's in your truck, it's yours. I'm gonna find whatever the top to that waterfall somewhere in there. Let's grab this. I'm sure it's fine. This goes to it as well. I'll lose that. Grab this tray of stuff. Look at all that stuff. Alright, let's go back inside for a second look. Because obviously we're not done. Bird toys today. Usually I'm finding a ton of cat and dog toys. Today it's bird toys and guinea pig food, which is fine because I have plenty of guinea pig cages for sale. I'll just put some food with it. Alright, let's shift stuff around. I got, see if I can find a missing part to that. Waterfall. More bird toys. Bird toy heaven. Well, someone's gonna get a treat. I put an entire bag of bird toys on eBay or Macari, whatever. There's the top. I knew it had been here. Anything inside this bag? Pretty much smelt. Just when you think you're done, you find more toys. And we definitely want to take the packaging, because ones that don't have packaging on them, that goes to that pump positive. The ones that don't have the packaging, you want to put the packaging on. Alright, I think we're Nope. I think we're finally done. Alright. Let's get out of here. We don't need stickers. Okay. Bird Toy Alley today, guys. Bird toys. And those treats have come off there. Alright. Maybe those go on. Little sushi rolls. Look at all that stuff. Out of one dumpster. Okay. One thing I can say about this PetSmart, it never disappoints me. We are going to check this dumpster because it's been months. This dumpster right here is where months ago I got brand new sinks, brand new faucets, and a brand new bidet toilet. It was all from the showroom, but it was all brand new. And I made out on that stuff. So there's usually nothing in their dumpster, but every once in a while I'll do a check just to make sure they haven't thrown any inventory away. Did you know? Contractors need stuff too, guys. Okay, let us go and check out. These are the dumpsters. Those look gross. I'm gonna mess with those today. We're gonna go do Barnes & Noble, and then we're gonna go find out if we have any more electronics from yesterday in the dumpster, because there's a bunch of controllers, remotes that are missing from things that are not there. So I don't know if they're in the dumpster or they kept them, or I don't know. So we'll keep checking. You never know. Might find the ones what we need. Okay. Let's check this dumpster here. One of these days they're going to throw some stuff away. Don't know when that will be, but one of these days we'll find some actual stuff in Barnes & Noble. It has been a while. According to Google, they are open. So they're just not throwing anything away. But usually the way it works with Barnes & Noble is you don't find anything, you don't find anything, you don't find anything, and then one day you go over there and there's 15 boxes or 5 bags or something, and it's an entire truckload. That's the way it works with Barnes & Noble. I mean, you get your once in a while stuff, but well, there's an office chair out here, so they're obviously throwing things away here. They're obviously clearing out something. To look at these office chairs, they look like they're a little worn out. What we got in here? Oh, we got stuff. Let's see. Don't need any of that. None of this is actual wire. This went from nothing in here yesterday to completely full today. We got candles again. Candles. Candles are back. Stuff in this dumpster. boxes. We'll dig around in here till we get yelled at. That's a control box. That's a control box. We need control boxes. Here, a bunch of don't need that. What do we got here? More of those things. Keyboards. Let's take this box. We'll take this box again. We'll go through it because I see another merchant card thing. Alright, so we'll throw our candles in there. And this wire, which is copper, you can see it. I'll put that in there because that's got to go to recycling anyway. I might as well take copper. We're going to get on out of here. Unfortunately, but we got a little box of some cables and what looks to be another card swipe thing. Because I'm just going to throw those on eBay. Alrighty guys, here we are. Not a huge day, but nevertheless. It's funny how I see some dumpster divers videos, they get a small bag and they're excited. And for Purposeful, we don't get excited till they fill the back of the truck. So, but here we are. This is what we found this morning. We got some stuff from the pet store. This pet store, man, they just love to throw things away. So let's start over here. We got this really nice filter. I think it's good and works good. I just need to take it apart and look at it. But it's a Marineland filter. I think it's like 80 bucks these things are. So we got that. Obviously a return. We got this kennel box, which is for putting small animals in, small dogs, to take them to the vet or to wherever. So that's really, really nice. Well, that's good. We got this reptile fountain. It doesn't have the pump, but we'll find a pump, and that's for a reptile cage. And then we got a whole bunch more of these chews that we just listed a whole bunch on Macari, but these are all small guinea pig rabbit chews. They're little treat like things. We got a bunch of those. And then we got all these bird toys. And some of these bird toys are nice big parrot toys. And I used to have birds, and I know that bird toys are expensive. So we've got this huge selection of bird toys. Some are big, some are small, but nevertheless. So these will probably all go on Macari in a group lot. We got another knotted rope toy for a dog. A little collar and leash, and another little pair of doggy panties. They go on their butt. There's the tail there, so this is for a fairly bigger dog. And then we got some feed. We got complete nutrition rabbit food, guinea pig food. We got guinea pig treat sticks. We got 2 bags of chinchilla food, a bag of mouse and rat food, and a small bag of the spray millet bird feed. We got 2 of these little cute mice wheels for mice cages to keep them hanging. We also got 2 of these little succulent cactus. But I always take them out of the thing and give it to Mom because she makes things out of the succulents. We got a quiet flow aquarium, pool aquarium thing. And then we got a whole bunch of candles from Bath & Body Works. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles from Bath & Body Works. And then I went back to that dumpster again, guys, and we got a whole bunch of equipment from the dumpster where we got that stuff from yesterday. So I got another keyboard and mouse, some power units. We have some remote controls, including, I think this is the remote control for the Key Digital, and the disc that goes with the software. And then we got another terminal, another brand new terminal for debit cards. So that'll go with the other ones. So all that little stuff sells here and there. So we'll make plenty. We'll do plenty with those. So yeah, not a bad day. This pet stuff will all be pretty good. Somebody will get some interest in. Oh, we got this vase too. I thought it was broke at first, but it's not. It is a decor vase. So you put some fake stuff in it or a glass vase. Be nice for roses or something. Even got its own little box. Oh look, is this a lid? You got to be kidding me. It has a lid? I bet the lid's broke, and that's probably why they threw it away. I don't really care about the lid. The lid had a starfish on it, look. Oh, it was like an apothecary jar. Check it out, guys. Let's look at this one more time over here. So this goes here. That went on there like that. Oh, what a nice apothecary jar. Well, why can't we just glue this back on? We can just glue this on, look. I have some clear solid Loctite glue. We can just glue this back on and sell it as is. It's pretty. It'll look good in the bathroom with cotton balls or whatever. How much was this crazy thing? 15 bucks. Alright, anyway, so we'll keep this lid. I got one up there that I found the other day and it doesn't have a lid. I just thought it was a vase. It turns out it's not a vase. It's an apothecary jar. Okay. That's fine. We'll keep the lid with this one. We'll close it up. And we will sell it as is when I glue that back on. Super cool. Okay. Alright guys. Wednesday. Thanks for stopping in. Thanks for running through the videos with us. Thanks for enjoying our videos. Thank you for subscribing and doing what you do. I love you guys. You guys are getting us up there. So until next time, we'll keep bringing you these great videos and keep finding what we can. And for all you guys that have bought stuff off of eBay or Mercari, you know, I'm selling in box slots now. I have so much of it. So for those of you guys that have bought merchandise from me, appreciate it. Thank you. It all goes to help the house support. And just continue doing what you do. So we'll talk to you guys next time. Love ya. Bye.
Thank you and please subscribe.